Factorial 5. Four permutation 2. Fifteen choose 6. Expand, open parentheses, x plus y, close parentheses, to the power of 8. Expand, open parentheses, 5x minus y, close parentheses, to the power of 4. Expansion of a minus 2b whole to the power of 5. Coefficient of x to the power of 16 in the expansion of, open parentheses, x squared minus 1 over x squared, close parentheses, to the power of 10. Coefficient of x to the power of 5 in the expansion of ax plus b over x whole to the power of 11.